This is the Kirkstone Pass in Cumbria. What a fantastic view. This is called the Red Pit car park, and I think that this mountain here is called the Red Screes. Now it looks quite high, but I think it's under 800 meters, and we're more than halfway up already. There I am parked. So Swift Carrera 1446 meter rear lounge campervan, and what a location to park in. This, I think, has to be one of the most attractive places I have been to in my vehicle. There we go. Parking here supports here. Red Pit car park. It's a free car park. I mean, you can actually spend the night here. There's no restrictions on it. I mean, it'll probably get a bit cold, but today is the 2nd of November. And yeah, okay, there's a bit of wind, but it's not as bad as it has been on other days. And I must say that this trip around the Lake District at the beginning of November and end of October has the weather's been okay. It's been warm in the camper van, and obviously it rains, but it rains all the time here anyway. And to my way of thinking, okay, it's a Sunday morning, but there's not many people out, as you can see, that this is probably the best time to come here, because you have the wonderful colours of autumn when you've got trees, and comparatively few people around. So this must be the best time to come here. I think this is fantastic. Now, today I was thinking of going to the top of that mountain, the Red Screes, but it looks a bit harder than I was expecting. So I'll leave you with this wonderful view looking down. Thanks for watching.